You find us useful. People love to keep animals. The dog guards our house. Well, they're very friendly too. People like to keep cats too. Cows, buffaloes, and goats give us milk. Some people keep hens. We get meat, milk, and eggs from animals. Bullocks help with farm work. Hitched to a cart, they can draw heavy burdens too. Horses and donkeys too are used to carry burdens. We look after the animals we keep. We feed them. We take care of them when they are ill, and that is very important. The animals we keep become very dear to us.